Shay has informed me that he's gonna show Aaron how things are done.
I'm definitely gonna do a better launch unless the rear end of this thing decides to walk itself out of the back of this vehicle.
All right, burn out! Good enough. It ain't spinning. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, buddy. That thing moves out.
It was all right.
Yeah, that was all right.
Nothing like some Mexico street hits to save the day.
Well, I think that was okay. I think the launch and the overall 60 foot was pretty decent for on the street. Car feels pretty good. I think when Aaron had it, it was probably just a little too warm. I think I want to do it one more time.
That, I could see a difference. That one, I could see the car kind of hook.
What do you feel like you ran? Like a 9, 6?
No, actually, I think you're right. I don't know. It doesn't feel like a 700 horsepower car to me.
What do you know?
I think it just takes a good 10 seconds of just like spooling in order to get boost.
Hey, guess what? The rear end didn't fall out.
I know. I'm so surprised, dude. I chalked this up to a complete win.
All right, high fives, dude.
High five! Yeah!
Look, this thing was sitting for 2 years, and if it weren't for us, it could have been sitting forever. But we rescued it. We made 700 horsepower and a Fox body after 5 days of work. Not to mention my hilarious and totally unnecessary but very rad radium dry brake system. And that's a pretty big W in my book. Even with all the setbacks we encountered, I consider this project saved.